Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever wondered how to check your order status on AliExpress, I've got you covered. First, open up the AliExpress app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then look for the account icon. In the account menu, click on My Orders. This will show you a list of all the orders you have placed. I don't have any order placed right now, so please do follow my voice instruction for the clarification. Find the order you want to track. You will see details like the order status, the shipping information, and even a tracking number if it's available. Click on the order for more details. The package has been shipped. There will be a tracking number with a link to track your items through the courier website. If you encounter any issues with your order, you can contact the seller directly through the Contact Seller button, or if you need help, AliExpress has a customer support center. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your AliExpress order and track them all the way to your door. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.